Good morning to all of you once again. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and preparing your examination well. In the previous video, I had discussed about formatting text and different topics. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can apply borders, or you can say how we can remove borders, as well as how we can insert pictures. So let's start. The important thing is, what is the use of pictures in Word? You know that pictures are very important in Word. If you are writing something, a topic, and if you want to make some interesting that topic, so you can put the pictures. So I told you that with the help of two options, means if you can choose the pictures from your device, as well as if you want to take online pictures, if you have an internet connection, so with the help of internet connectivity you can take out the pictures from there. So these are the two options, and with the help of this you can insert pictures in the Word. Next was about inserting WordArt. Now what is the use of WordArt? As you know that, and in the today's class also I told you that with the help of Word you can make changes in the Word format. Means if you want to use the different styles of words, so with the help of WordArt you can do that. So to do these things, you'll have to follow some simple steps, and with the help of these simple steps you will be able to you can say change the style of the particular text or particular sentence or word, or if you want to change the entire document. So with the help of these WordArt style you can simply change it. Next was about inserting and formatting shapes. Means what is the use of shapes? I told in today class that with the help of these shapes you can enhance your text as well as the document. But it is not important to use everywhere shapes. You can use it if you require. If it is required, then simply you can use it, and if it is not required, no need to use these things. So it is given in your book that you can simply use the shape as much if you want, but if it is needed, then you can use it. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है तभी यूज़ करेंगे, अदरवाइज your document will not look nice. Next was, I told that next topic was how you can write in between the shapes. Means if you have taken out the shapes, and if you want to write some some things in the shape, so how you can do that? So it is given in your book, so you have to follow some steps. You have to double click on the shapes, and in the shape group, in the shape, if you want to type your name and if you want to type something else, you can simply click in between that shapes. First you insert that shape and you just double click on these between shapes, and after that if you want to write something, means if you want to write your name, if you want to write any particular topic or any particular thing, then you can write it. It is very easy that with the help of these you can simply write it. Means it is not very you can say a tough work to to do that. But keep in mind that if you are writing, this is very important to understand that whenever it is needed, then you use the shape, because Word is basically in WordArt it is not very much used. It is basically used in, you can say, presentation and Excel mostly, and I think Paint you people are using so much shapes, so different. And the last one, now after this one, the last one was formatting shapes. Means I told today in the class that if you want to make changes in any shape, means if you want to make changes that you have already done it, and if you want to have some different changes in that shape, so you can do that. So you will have to simply follow some steps, and with the help of these steps you will be able to change the shape, means shape style of your page. So it is very easy. Means if you don't want to do that, you can simply undo it. That means you'll have to simply undone it, and then after it will be. And there has given some effects also, means shadow effects, as well as depth effects. You can also use these add these things. Add some. I know very well that some of you have already done practice on these ones. So this was your lesson. I hope all of you understood all the topics, and if you have any doubt, please comment me, send me messages. I will give you answers, as well as if you can ask me in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.